Hi, we're back. Did you miss us? So
Everybody misses us.
sorry, just having fun. It's like we're here to help you. We're here to give you advice and guidance. I'm not going to push you. I'm not going to be sitting there with my clipboard with your timeline laid out going, okay, did you do this today? Did you do this? Did you do this? Did you do this? No. Mm-mm. Although he is going to push you a little bit for your documents. Yeah.
We want to make sure that you're set up and
Yeah.
you have the best chance for success. So the way to do that, so you're confident, Robin's confident, and most importantly, anybody who you're making an offer to is confident and want to accept your offer.
Yes. And, it's all about, and again, we're going to go back to the video we did several weeks ago. It's about your timeline, not mine, not David's, yours. And whatever help you need, whether it's someone to come in and pack you, I'll text you name and number of my favorite mover. If it's someone to come in and help you sell some items, I'll text you names and numbers of people. If you're sitting there getting stressed about, let's say you've already found a house or type of house you want, we can come in and measure it and figure out, will that furniture fit in the new place? And it's all about helping you, holding your hand through the process and not stressing you out more. Because God knows this can be stressful enough.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So, and most importantly, and I can't emphasize this enough, your privacy is going to be protected throughout the entire time with us. Go back and look at all the other social media. Well, I did put one guy out there that just bought a house with me, and it was with his permission. He joked that he was going to wear a tuxedo to settlement, and he was so cute in his little tuxedo jacket and bow tie. And I asked him if I could take a picture and put it out there, and he's like, yes. And he was so proud. But I made on Facebook, it's a little blurry, and I did that intentionally. His copy is not, because I want to protect his privacy as much as possible. But no matter what, and this is something we have to emphasize.
Yes.
Nobody knows who we work with. We don't talk about you. Everything about you is private.
And just rest assured, we are both,
Yeah.
ruled by certain laws that protect your privacy, and it doesn't behoove us to go outside of those laws.
And I know it sounds weird. I'm a very private person. I don't want my personal business out there. Yes, you will see me out having fun with my friends. Dressing like Mrs. Roper was not my idea. But I did it, and it ended up making a lot of people smile that day. So I'm very happy over that. But your privacy is our number one focus and concern. So no matter what I see when we're going through this, no matter what you tell David, nobody else will know it. He doesn't even know what I see with you. No. And I don't know what you tell him. Correct. He just tells me, here's the pre-approval letter. And I go, okay, let's start house hunting. That's all I need. So anyway, guys, deep breath. And we're going to say that a lot during this process because, again, deep breath and a glass of wine go a long way.
Absolutely.
So until next time.
Take care, folks.
Bye. Bye.